Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is regarding ticker symbol Sndl, which is for Sundial growers. You can see that today the stock was up 23% and after hour another 16%, almost 30% up in one day. Since the morning, this thing is going higher, end of the day is popping up. Even on a 5-day, you can see that since Tuesday, it is slowly going higher and the explosion happened today. And most probably, you know what is happening in the market. You can look at Market Insider. Cannabis stock soared after report says Congress plans vote on federal legalization of the drug next week. So that was the big news, and all the cannabis sector stock, TLRY, ACB, everything was popping up. So SNDL was something that also moved up. It moved 55% in last 2 days. You can see that yesterday there was a nice pop, came down again, a nice pop this morning, and it went higher. So we spotted this today earlier, like when we were a little late, when it was around 0.63, like over my Discord community said, keep an eye on SNDL, and 0.63 it went to zero point 0.9, another one. Also, like when we did our morning briefing, we had lots of tickers with their entry, exit, profit target, and you can see that we did a nice day, like end of the day 26%, 13, 12. So lots of movement happening, a nice day. If you want to be part of this community, please join my Patreon through the link in the first comment below. Get access to my Discord, get my live alert each morning, and also the live when I explain the place. Anyway, let's talk about SNDL now. So that's the news. If you already know the news, that's good. If not, then it's coming next week. So something is happening most probably. So things are looking really, really nice. Now let's look at the chart. It moved a lot, 55% in 2 days. Keep that in mind, right? It might move a lot. Who knows? But I'm going to talk about it. In terms of the volume, you can see that the average volume is 70 million and today's volume was 328 million. Lots of volume came today, and this is not only here, like almost everywhere. And we had a volume picker, and when this thing was picking like around 2:30, then we just picked it and it just moved higher and higher. So that's the volume. That's the good thing. The volume is coming. And also, if you want to know about the option chart, you can see that lots of option for strike one for tomorrow's expiry date, 25th of March. So 25,000 here, 60,000 here, lots of call options. So hopefully it will go over one, because their strike price is $1 and one call option is only 1 cent. So that's not a big deal. But if you look at some other call option with the monthly expiry date, you can still see for 14th of April, one strike, lots of call options, especially 149,000 call options sitting here. If you want to play with call option, just very cheap, just $9, one call option, buy it, make some money and get out. Okay, so in terms of the volume, you can see whenever nice volume comes, it goes up, volume comes, goes up. And now today it was having some nice volume for last few days. Let me show you on a chart. I just want to show you what was happening. So if you look at the volume for last few days, you can see the volume is slowly gradually increasing, and today the explosion came, right? Now if you want to know like what's going to happen if more volume comes today, so you can see that today's volume was right around here, right, 300 something. Previously it got some volume right around 800. So if we get more volume than today, maybe double the volume tomorrow, it can move a lot. So keep that in mind. In terms of the short interest, it has 11.7% short interest, not too high, but the off exchange short interest is really high, 56%. Also, if I go down, I just want to see, let me see, yeah, the 10% is the cost to borrow fee rate, not very high. Also in terms of short share availability, not very high. So the only thing is the volume, which is coming and dragging this price higher and higher. So have a look with the 1 hour price, 1 hour chart, right? So you can see that couple of times, the last time it went to 0.96 and came down. So if this time it goes to 0.96 or even $1, expect a pullback. But if we can break through $1, it has some nice room. Let me show you the 2 hour chart so that I can show you a bigger picture. So once we go over 0.96 or let's say $1, it has more room all the way to 1.25, even 1.48, 1.5. So even from $1, 1.25 is like 25% gain, 1.5 is like 50% gain. So it needs just volume, it can move. And this is such a stock I really love. It can move a lot. You can see that like in 2021 February, it went all the way to 4.9. It came down. It has the ability to move faster and faster. but it normally what it does, it comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. So this is one other important thing. I do not want you to bag hold, like as I said, like 55% gain in 2 days. So I don't want you to buy at $1, then it comes down and you become a bag holder. Yes, on a longer term, you can see we have broken the downtrend, but at the same time, this is going parabolic. This is one other important thing. I do not want to just hold the bag sitting that it will go to the moon. You buy at $1, then it comes back. Mostly when something moves 55% in 2 days, you just do day trading. Get in, make some money, get out. If you really love the stock, I would say wait for a dip, then you establish your position. Okay, but for now, just think about day trading, making some money, get in, get out, this kind of thing. So anyway, finally, I want to look at the 3 minute chart. Just want to show you, if you want to get in, what are the places you should be looking at. So few things happen here. So look at point 0.8, because it was a resistance, then it became a support. So point 0.8 could be one area, 0.75 could be the next area. I was also looking at 0.68, but for now, considering it is at 0.85, if we are thinking about day trading, maybe zero point 0.8 and 0.75, these two areas. But looking really, really nice. I'm so impressed, and many of our members played this, and congratulations, whoever played and made some money. Let me know in the comment section if you made some money with Sndl or Tilda or anything. Just want to hear. It feels good to hear that you made some money. Anyway, if you find this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, give a try. Join my Patreon community. Once you join, you will get access to my Discord. And basically, what we do in the morning at 7:54, not 54, like 9:26 or even 9 o'clock, we come up with a plan for every day. Different ticker name, entry, exit, profit target with some kind of note, so that we can make money and see what's the result for today. Big numbers. You can also see how we are doing. Let me see, on a consistent basis, it's 29%, 32%, 14%. Almost every day we get something that moves crazy. Be a part of the community, and let's see if it works for you and you can make some money. Anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.